right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you.
Hey guys, this is Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So I am so excited to be doing this video because I have finally did my very first high-end makeup haul ever in life. I have never in life bought any type of high-end makeup products except that ABH glow kit that I got off of Groupon, which really wasn't technically buying high-end makeup because I only paid like $14.99. I'm not even sure for real if it was what it said it was, but the quality was just as amazing, so I feel like it was what it said it was. Okay, the first high-end makeup that I bought was gonna be for brows. You guys probably can guess what I got for the brows. So in advance, this video is gonna be long, so if you don't want to see this video, then I'm sorry. But I got my first Anastasia dip brow. Y'all know my NYX eyebrow gel is my staple product. It's what I use. If I want my brows to last all day, if I don't want them to smudge, I use my NYX eyebrow gel and it's amazing. But I really been wanting to try the dip brow, so I got this in the color Ebony. Granted, was too black, which I'm trying to decide like what's the comparison between this and the NYX eyebrow gel, but the granite was too black, so Ebony seemed like it was dark enough, like the same darkness as my NYX eyebrow gel. Okay, so I went ahead and used the dip brow on my brows, and so far I am liking how it looks. But most of all, it's not even about the product, because I think I already know the product is going to do what the product is going to do. But like I said, what matters most is the tools that you're using, and this brush made it so easy to be super precise, which is what you need to get perfect brows and hair strokes. So I'm really loving this eyebrow duo. I didn't want to spend $18 on it, but I'm like, if it's gonna get my brows to look even better, then it's totally worth it. And I totally agree that using this definitely helped my makeup application be more precise. The next thing that I got from Ulta, bruh, it's my first high-end makeup palette, and let me move this down. And I'm so excited, you guys. I've never bought a high-end makeup palette before. It's my first eyeshadow high-end palette, and I decided to go ahead and get the Too Faced Chocolate Gold. Oh, I hate these handprints, it's gonna bother me. So I'm gonna try for the life of me to not put my hands on this part. Who else would that bother? Like, that's my OCD. But it just smells like chocolate before I even open it. Bruh, like, let me go ahead and open it. Oh, look at this. It is so pretty. When I saw it in the store, I'm like, Lord, do I need this? I know I don't need it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it anyway. Okay, so before I go in and start trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with my eyes, I'm gonna prime them like I always do. I'm just gonna use my NYX HD concealer and prime my lids. This is important for if you want your eyeshadows to last. So we're gonna prime and set. This isn't anything different than what I normally do. Okay, so the first shade I think I'm gonna go in with is called Cocoa Truffle. It's this color right here. I'm not really sure how it's gonna look, so I probably need to swatch it first. Okay, I guess it'll show up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that color first. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with a darker brown, I think. I'm trying to see what color am I going to do. Like, I have no idea what color I'm going to do. But I need to go in with a darker brown though if I'm going to do a cut crease precise. I'm going to go in with the taper blending brush. The brand of this is Kevine. I don't know. I just totally butchered that. So let me go ahead and go into my Morphe 35R palette. My go-to. Yeah, I'm going to use one of these browns. Yeah, I'm going to use one of these darker browns. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to do like a half cut crease look. So I'm going to go in with some of this Decadent color and slowly build it up. Okay, so before I do some damage, let me go ahead and start cutting my crease. So I know the shade Chocolate Gold is the star of this palette, but I don't think I want to do anything that yellowy. So I think I might go in with Old Money is the shade right here.
This is a Mr. Tracky production.
Okay, so the next color I think I'm going to go in with is going to be Love and Cocoa, which is another shimmery shade, but it's just a little bit darker. Yeah, that's really pretty. So let me see what else I can do. There is Holla for a Dollar is green, so we're definitely not going with that green color. That's gonna mess it up. Maybe I can try Classy and Sassy. New Money is this really hot pink color. I feel like if I use that, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna go in with Classy and Sassy. It's right next to the color So Bougie if you have this palette. The second to last color. Alright, so I feel like this look needs some glitter. I did get some glitter from Ulta. This is the bronze glitter, but I'm thinking I might do some purple glitter. I think I have some purple glitter. Yeah, I have some purple glitter right here. So if I can just find a small little brush, I can go ahead and get some eyelash glue and put this on and try not to blink. But I'm really afraid to do that because if you blink, then it's completely ruined. And I'm really afraid of messing up the makeup look. So let me go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna do with my life. So this glitter just totally took things to a new level. A level that I was not even going for, I don't think. I feel like it's a little bit too much, but the glitter is on, so it has to stay. I mean, that's all we can do at this moment in time. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and add liner and then add on my lashes. And then I will be back to try the new things that I got from Ulta, which is the Benefit Pore Professional Primer. Which I'm not going to be using this in my videos just to do, I don't think I really want to be using this because this stuff really works, and I know because I use it in the store. I did a sample and it was bomb. So I got the little size. I forgot to do the Ulta sale. They had a sale where it was 50% off 2 days ago. I put it in my cart online and I completely forgot to actually buy it. Let's just go ahead and have a moment of silence because I'm so mad. Anyway, so I'm going to put my lashes on and my liner and I will be back. Really quick before I apply my lashes, I'm going to try the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've never used it before. I just got the little small one because I want to see if I like it first. So let me go ahead and just do this really quick before I apply my lashes. I'm doing a really heavy coat like I would normally do if I wasn't applying any lashes. But I just got to put something on to make my lashes back black. Because if you don't, your lashes will be white or whatever color your eyeshadow is. So from that little simple coat, I do like it. Alright guys, so I am back. I have done my lashes and I actually surprisingly put them on a lot quicker. So I think I might be getting to the point where I can actually do it on camera soon. So anyway, the next exciting thing deep and it's still damp, okay, is my my MAC foundation. I'm so excited to do that. I've never worn MAC, or never had purchased MAC, I should say. I've definitely worn it before in a fashion show, and I was like, why does my skin look so great? Like, this foundation looks so good. So I went to the store. They matched me with NC45. Not sure if it'll be a great match. We'll find out. But first, I'm going to prime my face with my Benefit Professional. And I really hate that this is a little tube. But this really looks like, this reminds me of the NYX No Filter stuff that I used in my last video. It was the same consistency. I'm just going to use this around my nose area right up in here, because this is where most of my pores are. So I'm just going to use it in this area. This is my only problem area. Like, my cheeks is the only area that I have the really large pores, and I hate it. But this stuff works really well. Like, it already took away the super pory look. But right now, this is the color, which kind of looks like the Revlon color stay that I said was too light for my skin. So maybe this just really is my color. But anyway, I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and just dot it on my face. I need like NC47 or something like that, because this is too freaking bright. Because look how, this is worse than the Infallible. Yeah, I'm going to definitely have to, I don't know about anybody else, but I like when I put on my foundation and I feel like it's too light. Maybe it's just because you gotta blend it out a little bit. I don't know, but I feel like it's too light. Yep, nope, Taking that back. Taking it back. Probably gonna end up doing that tonight. NC45 is too light. So we have established that, and we will take this back tonight. So let me go ahead and put that on the side. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my NYX concealer, because like I said, I did not buy a high-end concealer. I'm hoping the MAC Studio Fix powder is good, because I'm not liking this. Alright, so to set my eyes, I'm using my normal go-to Sacha Buttercup. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So what I'm going to do though is dust away this powder really quick, and then go in with my MAC powder to set everything. I'm gonna go on with this powder. The brand is Jasmine Labelle. It's, I don't know, off brand. But like I said, look at this. This is too light for me, y'all. But I'm just gonna go with it anyway. I'm gonna use my COVERGIRL bronzer like I normally do. Alright, so before I do, well, I need to do my highlight. I also didn't get any any high-end highlighters. So I'm just gonna go in with my go-to Maybelline Master Chrome. This is my favorite highlighter. I really wanted to like this MAC. I do like it. I just really wanted it to be my color, but it's not. So that really, really bothers me that it's not my color. I'm gonna use, I need to get me a good lip liner, a good brown lip liner. I don't have any automatic browns, so I'm just going to use the Ardell Beauty, and I'm going to go in with the NYX Cashmere Silk on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But that is pretty much it for this makeup video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching.